Today we're going to be cooking chili garlic noodles, and the hardest part about cooking chili garlic noodles is the fact that you cannot snack on raw garlic while you're actually cooking. I loved garlic growing up. Maybe that's why I was single till 24. Yeah, dekho, the smart assistant does everything. You barely have to do any work. It's almost robotic, like me. We first start with 10 cloves of garlic. Arey yaar, bench. First start with 10 cloves of garlic so that your noodles taste epic and no vampire can steal them. Edward Cullen can suck it. I'm not a supporter of werewolves either. To cook the noodles, I'm going to be using my Delish Up smart cooking assistant from Upliance.ai. This is like any other appliance in your house except it's got an upgrade. That is how my mother describes the difference between me and my sister. She is the upgrade. I like the Delish Up because it has a touchscreen and connects to Wi-Fi that neither me or my sister can do. Mother might adopt Delish Up only. Find some chilies and take their tops off. If they are wearing underwear, then you can remove those also. Chilies are quite hot, and like everything hot on the internet, there are videos to show you how to remove its top. Now take this top off also and throw in all your dry ingredients, and it will cut itself, just like me shaving for the first time. But all you have to do now is press the start button, and it will just go. It was the absolute best time, and that is how I lost my virginity. Put 3 spoons oil and saute it. Did I say saute? This is why you shouldn't eat raw garlic. Now cut the capsicum and onion like an apple, and it is very easy because the rest of the work will be done by the machine. But be careful to remove these seeds from inside the capsicum, because if you're not careful, the seeds will just go everywhere and you'll make a complete mess in your kitchen. It will cut all the vegetables perfectly like a killer on a true crime show, but you have to be a good accomplice and scrape off all the sides. You can use your fingers as well, that way you get to lick off all the extra raw garlic. Guess who's not going to be kissing his wife tonight? Now it's time for the spooning. I like the big spoon. So you have to take dark soy, ketchup and vinegar. Vinegar is very good for the heart. If you don't believe me, try to prove me wrong in the comments. You can take the crown on and off for mixing and sauteing. I love it when it tells me to take the crown off. A lot of Indians agree with that. Hashtag Kohinoor return karo. Take their tops off. Bring the water to the right amount in the weighing scale. There you go. It's that simple. Boom. Drink a little bit and then put it, yeah. It's that simple. You're adults. You can put some butter, but I'm vegan, so I'm going to use vegan butter. Now don't tell me it's not butter, it's margarine. I don't care what woman it is. I just want my soupy noodles to be slurpy. I just want my effect. And finally, add the noodles. Why, you ask? Why not? See, this is the only time it is acceptable to use ketchup in your cooking, so that you can create something greater than the ketchup itself. Press the button and let the noodles cook while you watch your favorite Big Boss episode and point and laugh at the characters who are making way more money than you and will be more popular than you, and you can feel existential dread. But at least you have noodles. The amount of time this will take to cook is the same amount of time it will take you to remove the tape from the food that you have ordered. I don't know, seriously, why are they using so much tape? Itna tape Kohinoor pe dala hota to we would have never lost it. Noodles are ready. I'm not going to show you the final product because they are extremely tasty and I am feeling extremely mysterious. Instead, you can enjoy really sexy slow-mo shower shots of the Delish Up from Upliance. Wow, oh my god, you look so hot and tired. Maybe we should cool you down with some water. Show us all your waterproofing. That's right. Take their tops off.